MJ. We are Group 6.
I'm Kish Kenzui.
I'm Charles Juliano.
I'm Jack Lawrence Sales.
And I am Jubilin Villarreal. For today's locomotor movements, we will demonstrate the plank, which is the linear and lateral movements.
Now let's start. Start in a plank position. Your hands are under your shoulder and your body should be straight from head to toe. Now let's begin with the linear plank walk. Move your right hand and foot forward, followed by your left hand and foot. Okay.
Next is the lateral plank walk. Move your hands and feet side to side while keeping your body straight. Remember to keep your core tight, your back straight, and breathe normally.
So that's our demonstration of the plank walk, which is the linear and lateral movements.
Thank you for watching.